opening right here?
There should be a fitting.
The fitting.
We should be able to find a fitting where the other line was connected, like a T fitting.
Yeah, T fitting.
Maybe we go a little bit that way. Yes, sir. All right, so we hooked a sprinkler line, and as soon as you see a sprinkler line, jump out, cut it immediately, because if you pull on it with the machine, the line comes off a fitting, and it's really hard to find where it came from. I've seen guys hook a line, not know it, completely raise the arm on a track hoe, and it was a joke. There was no finding where that line came off of. Now, it's Michigan winter. It's January. Sprinkler systems are winterized. We don't have the luxury of turning this thing on and seeing where the water blows out. We also don't have very much daylight. These are some of the shortest days of the year in Michigan. Beautiful. Came off this fitting right here. All right, so when the excavator caught it, that line, it's a 1-inch poly line, and this is a T. It pulled it right off the fitting. That's what it usually does. You want to look for that. You want to work smart, guys. These sprinkler systems are expensive, and you got to take care of this as you come across it, or it's just a mess, and it's just impossible to deal with at the end.